So my name is Jay Scanlan. I'm a partner at McKinsey London. And within Digital McKinsey, I lead our global digital strategy practice. I think the first thing that we realize is that organizations have to reallocate resources much more radically in order to transform themselves to be ready and fit for purpose in what's happening. The second thing I think organizations really have to think about in their strategy is what really has made us money in the past, and how is that likely to be transformed or disrupted in the future? And the third thing, which I think is the hardest thing for organizations to deal with, is that organizations have to fundamentally link in a much deeper way what they're trying to achieve strategically with their operational capabilities and their organizational structures, because they have to be faster, more agile, and much more responsive to the market than they ever have been before. I think one of the things that gets in the way of digital execution is a failure of imagination. In a world where we used to be comfortable that it took 2 weeks to do a mortgage process, the ability to actually get mortgage approval in 5 seconds really strains the credibility and the thought of people who are used to operating in an industry that has performed for its customers under a certain set of rules for a very long time. But the organizations that are most successful in this new world imagine a world where they can give their clients an answer about their mortgage in 5 seconds or less. So is it inevitable that incumbent companies become historical dinosaurs, which is a very harsh but real threat in this new digital economy? I think there are 3 things that our research suggests helps avoid that kind of outcome. The first thing that they do is that the board of directors of these companies really get it, and they understand the level of capability and strategic alignment necessary to really make a difference. The second thing is a level of leadership courage, which our client executives have, where they recognize that the choice is not to stay the same or to transform themselves, but actually to become a lot more stressed by the forces of digital disruption and transformation, or to embrace it and really try to ride that wave as strongly as they can. And the third is that they both have real clarity on their strategic direction, but also can translate that into the very practical things about what does this mean about what we need to do differently than we did in the past, and why is this an exciting and values-based journey that we can take that will energize the entire organization and really make it, again, more agile, more responsive, and a more exciting place for everyone to work.